Hello guys, and in today's video we have the itel P70. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hard reset your itel P70 in case you have forgotten your pattern or password. Here you can see that the phone is disabled. For that, first you have to power up your phone and then press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now, as soon as the itel logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. Here you can see. Now when this page comes up, again click on the power and volume up key simultaneously for the recovery menu. Now inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to navigate through the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data and then select factory data reset with the power key, and this will erase all the data present on your phone. Now when the data wipe completes, you guys have to select the reboot system now with the power key, and this will reboot your phone. After the reboot, it will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Now when your phone turns on, select your language, select your region, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone normally again.